This video will cover everything you need to know about engineering consultant agreements, including the steps to use an online template to create one yourself. Contracts Council's template marketplace offers a variety of lawyer-drafted templates that you can choose from to meet your specific consulting needs. Whether you're a business requiring engineering expertise or a consultant providing specialized services, this video is for you. Learn the essential components and steps to create your engineering consultant agreement in just a few minutes. Before we begin, here's a quick disclaimer. The following information is provided for educational purposes only and does not constitute legal advice. For specific legal guidance, consult a licensed attorney. You can find additional resources and links to templates in the description. What is an engineering consultant agreement? An engineering consultant agreement is a legal document that outlines the terms of the relationship between a client and an engineering consultant. This agreement clarifies the scope of work, responsibilities, payment terms, and other details to ensure a successful and professional collaboration. These agreements are essential for both clients and engineering consultants, as they define the expectations, protect intellectual property, and reduce the potential for disputes. Understanding the key sections in an engineering consultant agreement is essential for filling out your template accurately. Here are the key sections you'll find in most engineering consultant agreements. 1. Parties involved. This section includes the legal names of both the client, company, and the engineering consultant, service provider. 2. Scope of services. Details the specific engineering services to be provided, such as design, analysis, project management, or consulting on technical specifications. 3. Compensation and payment terms. Outlines the payment structure, including hourly rates, project-based fees, or a retainer, along with any additional expenses for materials, travel, or other project-related costs. 4. Term and termination. Defines the contract's duration and conditions under which either party may terminate it, including notice periods and any penalties or fees for early termination. 5. Responsibilities and deliverables. Clarifies the consultant's specific duties, deliverables, and timelines, along with any obligations the client has, such as providing necessary information or access to resources. 6. Confidentiality and intellectual property. Protects proprietary information shared during the consulting relationship and clarifies ownership of any intellectual property, inventions, or materials developed. 7. Indemnification and liability. Specifies who is responsible for damages, losses, or issues that may arise during the agreement and includes limitations on liability for both parties. 8. Dispute resolution. Describes the process for resolving any conflicts that may arise in connection with the engineering services, such as mediation or arbitration. How to fill out an engineering consultant agreement template. Now, let's dive into how you can fill out an online template. Here is a list of 6 steps you can follow to fill out an engineering consultant agreement template you can find on Contracts Council's marketplace. Step 1. Choose your template. Start by selecting a template that aligns with your engineering project's needs. Contracts Council offers a variety of lawyer-drafted templates tailored to different types of engineering consulting services. Step 2. Enter parties and project details. Begin by entering the date of the agreement, followed by the full legal names of both the client and the consultant, and a description of the project. Step 3. Define scope of services and payment terms. Clearly outline the services to be provided and specify the agreed upon payment structure, including any fees or additional expenses. Step 4. Include confidentiality and intellectual property clauses. Add clauses on confidentiality to protect sensitive information and outline the ownership of any intellectual property created during the project. Step 5. Add liability, indemnification, and termination terms. Define limitations of liability, include indemnification clauses, and specify the conditions under which the agreement can be terminated. Step 6. Signature section. Add the full legal names and signatures of both parties to finalize the agreement, ensuring it is legally binding. Remember, these templates are drafted by lawyers and don't need further editing, unless you choose to customize the agreement to better suit your needs. Creating an engineering consultant agreement is a crucial step in establishing a clear and professional relationship, ensuring both parties understand their roles, responsibilities, and expectations. If you need help from an experienced lawyer or want to find a lawyer drafted template, feel free to search Contracts Counsel or visit contractscounsel.com. Thanks for watching.